Navigating the challenges of hybrid RVs, practical solutions for adventurous hybrid RVs have gained popularity among camping and outdoor enthusiasts for their versatility and space-saving design. These innovative vehicles combine the best of both worlds, offering the comfort of a traditional RV with the freedom to connect with nature using tent-like fold-out sleeping areas. However, like any travel option, hybrid RVs come with a unique set of challenges. In this article, we explore the biggest problems you might encounter with a hybrid RV and provide practical solutions to overcome them. 1. Condensation and insulation issues. Problem: hybrid RVs often have canvas or fabric sections that are susceptible to condensation, especially in cold or humid weather. Inadequate insulation can lead to discomfort and potential damage to your camping gear. Solution: to combat condensation, ensure proper ventilation inside the RV. Open windows and vents during the day, and use fans to circulate air. Additionally, invest in insulating materials or thermal blankets for the fold-out beds to maintain a comfortable temperature. Also, here's a good video from Forest River on dealing with condensation in your hybrid. https://forestriverinc.com/rvs/travel-trailers, video_3QWRK5RVE1Q. 2. Limited privacy. Problem: hybrid RVs generally offer less privacy than traditional RVs due to the tent-like sections. This might be a concern, especially when camping in crowded areas or with larger groups. Solution: create privacy zones within the RV by using room dividers or curtains. Portable screens can be set up around the sleeping areas to provide additional privacy when needed. 3. Weather vulnerability. Problem: while the canvas sections provide a closer connection to nature, they are also more susceptible to extreme weather conditions, such as heavy rain and strong winds. Solution: check the weather forecast before your trip and be prepared to handle adverse weather. Bring waterproof covers for the fold-out sections, and always pack sturdy tent stakes and ropes to secure the RV in case of strong winds. 4. Set up and pack up time. Problem: hybrid RVs may require more time and effort to set up and pack up compared to traditional RVs. Solution: practice setting up and packing up your hybrid RV before your trip to become familiar with the process. Develop a routine and work together with your travel companions to streamline the setup process. With experience, you'll become more efficient over time. 5. Weight and towing capacity. Problem: hybrid RVs may have weight limitations due to the fold-out sections, which can impact the number of belongings you can carry or the towing capacity of your vehicle. Solution: be mindful of the weight distribution and ensure you stay within the RV's recommended limits. Avoid overloading the RV with unnecessary items, and use lightweight camping gear to reduce the overall load. 6. Maintenance of canvas sections. Problem: the canvas sections of hybrid RVs require regular maintenance to prevent mold, mildew, and tears. Solution: clean and dry the canvas sections after each trip to prevent moisture buildup. Use waterproofing solutions to protect the fabric from water damage. Regularly inspect the canvas for any tears or weak spots and patch them up promptly. 7. Noise and light pollution. Problem: the canvas walls of hybrid RVs may allow more noise and light from the outside, potentially disrupting your sleep or quiet moments. Solution: choose camping spots away from high-traffic areas or invest in portable white noise machines and blackout curtains to create a more peaceful sleep environment. While hybrid RVs provide an exciting and flexible way to explore the great outdoors, they do come with some challenges. By anticipating and addressing these issues through preparation and practical solutions, you can make the most of your hybrid RV experience and enjoy a memorable and comfortable camping journey. Happy adventuring!